this is part 3 in our Master Budget and Responsibility Accounting series, and here we're going to be looking at a production and purchases budgeting comprehensive example. The Stark Company has prepared a sales budget of 45,000 finished units for a 3-month period. The company has an inventory of 16,000 units of finished goods on hand at December 31st. And has a target finished goods inventory of 18,000 units at the end of the succeeding quarter. It takes 3 gallons of direct materials to make 1 unit of finished product. The company has an inventory of 60,000 gallons of direct materials at December 31st and has a target ending inventory of 50,000 gallons of direct materials at the end of the succeeding quarter. How many gallons of direct materials should be purchased during the 3 months ending March 31st? So again, I've set up my T accounts here. This is very similar to the first 2 examples we did in part 1 and 2, but we're combining parts 1 and 2. So I have my materials T account in gallons, not dollars, and I have my finished goods T account in units, not dollars. Again, I'm using the T account simply as a tool here. So let's fill in the information that we're given. They give us beginning materials inventory of 60,000 units, or 60,000 gallons in this case. They give me ending materials of 50,000 gallons. They give me beginning finished goods of 16,000 units, and ending finished goods of 18,000 units. In addition, in line 1, they tell me that our sales budget states that we anticipate selling 45,000 finished units. So we can enter that into our T account. We anticipate to sell 45,000 units. So just as before, our inventory requirements here would be the 45,000 units we anticipate to sell and our target ending finished goods of 18,000. But remember, we've already got 16,000 in beginning finished goods. So all we need to produce are 47,000 units. Well, now we need to know how many gallons it takes to produce 1 unit. Well, they tell us it takes 3 gallons. In the problem, they tell us it takes 3 gallons of materials to make 1 unit of finished goods. So now we can kind of back into our materials T account. If we multiply the 47,000 units that we need to produce times 3 gallons per unit, that tells us that we're going to have to use 141,000 gallons to be able to produce 47,000 units. Now, just as before, we know we need to use 141,000, and we need 50,000 in ending materials. Therefore, our inventory requirements for materials is 191,000. But we already have 60,000 in beginning materials inventory. So all we need to purchase is 131,000 gallons of direct materials.